This is the Genesee Biomedical Sternal Retractor with pillar clamps and curved rakes. The rack itself is assembled with the right arm, adding the crank, standard, moving into that procedure where the crank allows and fixes the rack. Next step is to take and add the blades. Blades are simply a lift up with a right arm or left arm. Basically, there's another key there. Add the blade, put the blade in, and now you have your sternal retractor. If you would like to add rakes to your sternal retractor, there's a pillar clamp. This pillar clamp has a hole in it. You can go either side and fits to any of these 3 holes. There's 4 sets of 3 holes there. So if you want to go farther out, take the pillar clamp, simply place it, it nests right in there. Then you grab the key, and with this key, simply tighten it down to the right side. Don't fix it all the way down because you've got to more or less put in your accessory arm, which is this H bar. Go either side, either direction, or you can go with the straight bar, which is another part of the accessory. Once you tighten everything down together, this arm becomes fixed. Very solid part of the retractor. You're gonna get no movement in here whatsoever. From there, you can take one of these ball clamps. Shiny side down, matte side up. The matte side will accept these curved rakes. Simply put that curved rake in there, then add your shiny side ball clamp there. Once again, take your key, righty-tighty or clockwise, tighten it up, and that is going nowhere. We have short rakes. In addition to that, we have longer rakes. This ball clamp will accept curved rakes and straight rakes. That is the setup of the Genesee Biomedical SRCL sternal retractor with curved rakes.